day here. Let's see. History. All right. 2.18% captured. Call that 3. 1.89. Call that 2. So that's like 5. 6. We'll call it 6.5. Right? Because we lost 10% there, 10% there, 20% there. Yeah, so 6.5 in a day. Pretty cool. Let's see. So up top, started with $25. Looks like it's technically up 1.5%. And that will be because we have open orders of, let's see, $10 is out and $10 is out of the. So if this is $25,000, this would be 10,000's out on the trade, another 10,000's out on the trade, and then those are active. So $10 out of 25,000 is a good, that's almost 50%. So, I guess technically 40%. I'm sorry, to be 20%. But then there's 2 of them, so 40%. Okay, so yeah, it hasn't been I think it's 6:11. I got this done around like 10:30 last night, so it's almost 24 hours. And we're technically up, let's just say 1.4%, and we can see that we have captured 2, we'll call it 3, 2 more, 5, 2 more, 7%. 7% a day. It's supposed, when you get $1,000 minimum in here and you go upgrade to the account where it's the Hero subscription, I guess that's not here, but I'm using the profit scalping decks, and once I get that all tweaked, this is cool. Once I get that tweaked, then, this thing should really kick some butt. All right, so allocation of funds, 20%, 22 available. 78% is actually in positions. Well, wow. Look at this page. Profits, auto sync, 3 in strategy. Interesting. All right, well, that's the end of day 1, and thanks for riding along. We'll keep on going. And it looks like I have 563 I could actually manual buy with. Very interesting. All right, guys, time out.